Alright, time to put on the climbing stuff. Well, climbing shoes that is. And get ready for the climb.
You can see the cloud of mosquitoes just everywhere. I could not believe how many mosquitoes there were in there. It's nuts.
A lot of mosquitoes.
And I'm now realizing that I'm running really low on water. And I'm really starting to feel all the fatigue from the hike and climb. I heard about it from more experienced climbers and hikers. When you reach the summit, or whatever your main point of destination is, you quickly realize how much effort you put in, because your adrenaline levels drop and you're in trouble.
Sorry guys, some of my preparation I just have to do it off camera because it's just brutal. I feel like I'm passing out. There's thousands of mosquitoes around me. They won't even let me change. Man, this is definitely one of the hardest things. Not the hardest thing that I had to do. But I said I'm gonna do it for the glory of God. And so shall I do the vote for the glory of God. No matter what. Mosquitoes, lack of oxygen, they just so aggressive. This is unbelievable. Man, if it's gonna be like this while climbing, that's some serious hazard. But hey, you wanna eat me? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you all. This is just brutal. Come on, one more shoe. And man, now it feels like it's starting to rain. Everybody said this was easy. But maybe the rain and the wind can get rid of these annoying mosquitoes. Alright, got my shoes on. That's the progress. Yes, my shoes here. Gotta deploy the drone. So we're flat. Yes. Here, I don't know how I'm gonna land it. I'll just do the best, forget the rest. It's raining now. Yeah, I'll be climbing in the rain. Hopefully it don't get struck by lightning with a stick. Going up here. Okay, let's do it.
I was thinking to myself, I was like, well, you know, if you get struck by lightning, God wasn't pleased with your performance. Yeah, but really, it was a challenge. It's interesting how there are a few different aspects whenever it comes to, you know, doing stuff like this. It's mental and at the same time spiritual, and they both work hand in hand. And that's why you have these kind of like phenomena where, like a summit fever, for example, where people just, they are so obsessed with getting to the summit that they die on the way. They just exert themselves and they die because they were so obsessed. And also, like in my example, where you actually get to your point, to your destination, and then all of a sudden you feel all the energy just disappear in a split second, and you're like, I was feeling good all this time, what happened? But that's why it's so important to be in the right place spiritually. You have to understand why you're doing this, for whose glory you're doing this. You're not doing this for yourself. It's not for the flesh. It's for the spirit, because you are doing it by the power of the spirit. And so you have to attribute that glory where it belongs. And obviously it belongs with the one who gave us that spirit in the first place. And then, no matter how hard it is, mosquitoes, rain, cold wind, whatever, you will get through. You will get through no matter what. If you're in the right place, in the mindset from the spiritual standpoint. You have your mind and your body working together with the spirit, under the guidance of the spirit. And of course you do feel that satisfaction of the flesh. Yeah, I did it. I'm strong enough. I'm tough enough to withstand through these challenges. It feels great. But it's easy to get lost. It's easy to get lost, and that's why a lot of times you see people that do these amazing things and accomplish things. Once they accomplish, they're satisfied for a little bit and then it's gone. Why? Because what they were doing, the glory that they were accomplishing, they attributed it to themselves, to the flesh. But it's not the flesh that got them there, it's the spirit.